Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use iTunes gift card on Samsung. So let's get into the video. So if you want to use your iTunes card, you can simply use that on Apple Music. So just go to your Play Store and download Apple Music. So if you download Apple, you just install the app here from here. So once you have installed the app, and then all you have to do is simply log into your account. So just install an Apple Music. So once you have installed it, so go to Apple Music and then open up your browser, go to Apple Music website, and then just create your Apple ID. So once you've created your Apple ID, so what you can do, you can simply log into your account, so Apple Music account, and then when you go to your settings here, you will see options to redeem your gift card. So if you scroll down, so if you go to your account settings, if you scroll down, you will see option to redeem your iTunes card. So all you need to do is just click on redeem and then redeem your iTunes gift card here. So by doing that, then you can add your iTunes card balance to your Apple ID, and then you can use this Apple ID on your Apple Music here on your Samsung. So on your Android or Samsung, so on your Apple Music you can use them. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.